What is going on, everybody? I have this chest strap and I haven't used it yet, and my car is really dirty. I'm gonna go to the car wash and throw this on, and hopefully the footage comes out pretty cool. I've been wanting to use this, but I haven't had like an excuse to use it. So, and we'll get some POV driving for y'all too. I'll make this video really about turbo flutter. I said fucking threw it on right now. Check my oil real quick. I should have done an oil change today, but I lagged it. So probably gonna go buy the oil today and do it tomorrow. It's looking pretty decent. Little on the dirty side, but it's okay. She is gonna be taken care of tomorrow. Diverter valve. Let's go get this car wash. Before I get into all the POV driving, I'm gonna let the car warm up for a little longer. Let it get to temp. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go pick up the oil that I'm gonna need for tomorrow. And yeah, and then we'll be on our way to the car wash, man. I cannot one-hand shift yet, man. Alright, I'll see y'all there. Alright, y'all, so we got the goods. Got some tire shine, filter, 6 quarts, ultra plat. It's right here, dog. Oh, I missed the empty one right there. Hands free, baby. Get this cracking. Back in the whip. We didn't bring anything to dry this bitch off, so we're just gonna do the good old-fashioned air dry. I need to get a better mic so you guys can actually hear it, because I know on the GoPro you can like kind of hear it, but you gotta really listen. I'm actually gonna make a right here. $4 for 85? Wild. It's the most expensive I've seen it up here. Damn, it now sounds so far. It might be getting in and out today. I don't know. Sounds pretty good. Bro, there's so much traffic right now. This isn't his diesel. One thing I do gotta say, man, this shifter in this car is is not good. I don't know if it's just worn out from the other owner or if I just fucked it up, but dude, this car is on my ass. Holy shit. Go, skirt, go, go. This car is fucking going super slow. What is that, a Lancer? I don't know. It looks pretty dope though. The mud flaps make it look wide body. It is a Lancer, right? WRX. Oh, the side looks like WRX. I don't know. Like, how do you get bored of that? Like, everything on this car is pretty much stock, but that just makes it, I don't know. It just changes everything. Makes it so sick. This way, I'm gonna get a pool, and then I'm just gonna cut it and go get some food. Maybe I'll bring it back. I don't know. I'll record it for a little bit. Let's get it a little third gear full. I'm just gonna roll through it. perspective for E85, before I left to go get the oil and go wash my car, I had like 210 miles. Now I'm at 175. So that shit burns quick. Oh my God. I'm not doing that ever again. I will never do that again. I thought I was gonna pop. Nope. Just fucking went to red line. Damn. Would you guys wait? Holy shit, bro. I'm so hungry though. We getting down, going inside, cause fuck this line. Oh shit, my battery is 16%. Alright, y'all, we're on our way home. We got the In-N-Out. I'm so hungry, dude. I'm so excited to eat some food. I've eaten once today. That's insane. It's fucking 9:30. Some of you guys were asking how I like the buns or how I feel about the buns. And it's like every other thing, man. It's like once you get used to it, it's not bad. And it's really simple to use. Once you get used to it, it's not bad at all. Oh, policia, dog.